welcome back to my channel! And it's me, Kate Francine. I'm back! Let's be real, amazing, and authentic. Again, welcome back to Small Kate Wonders. Just for fun and enjoy. No bashing! I do my homework, I need to eat my breakfast first. Face-to-face na naman jud mi datong una group man may ako kay group 3 man ko, so 3 weeks. Three weeks lang ko, guys. Face-to-face module. Ay, naku, kadakan ba sa mga trabaho na ito ini? Ay, nga, lusot pagit tayo. Nga, module. Oh my God, back to module again, guys. I hate more. Nahuman ang ito ni pandemic para back to normal na ang tanan. Okay guys, this is all for now. Bye-bye for now. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. And also click the bell button to see my new posted videos. Bye guys!